Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the SPICA 2-pack insect killer bug zapper, a powerful 20W electronic device designed to keep your indoor spaces free from mosquitoes, flies, moths, wasps, and other pesky insects. This innovative bug zapper uses a special light to attract flying and crawling pests, and then eliminates them with a 2800 volts power grid, ensuring a pest-free environment for your home or office. Made from high-quality, green, and safe materials, this device is perfect for households with children, pregnant women, and pets, as it operates without flicker or glare, protecting your eyes. Its double-faced design offers 360-degree attraction and killing capability, while the flame-resistant material housing and protective grids ensure safety and prevent accidental contact. The SPICA bug zapper is versatile enough for any indoor use, covering up to 6,000 square feet, and can even be used outdoors, provided it's kept away from water. With a pure aluminum frame that's easy to clean and a detachable catching tray for hassle-free maintenance, this insect killer is both sturdy and lightweight. Plus, it comes with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, so you can return it anytime for a full refund if you encounter any issues, making it a reliable choice for a pest-free life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.